Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me guide. In this video, I am gonna tell you guys how to remove echo in Adobe Premium. So, let's start. Add your video clip to your timeline and listen. Tab on edit from over here. There is echo and noise at the back. Then go to window to get essential sound. Now, essential sound is at right side. Now, select your audio, then tell is it your dialogue music, SFX or ambience. This is dialogue. Select it. There is repair option. We have to select this before selecting. Firstly, listen again. Tab on edit from. Now, I select reduce noise and set its value to 10.0 and listen.
And now beneath the ad,
Then set its value to 1.9 and you can see the difference.
tab on edit from over here.
Now scroll down. There is option of reduce reverb. Select this, set value to 0 and listen this.
Tab on edit from over.
There is echo. Now set the value to 5.8. Now it's done. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel Let Me Guide. That would be much appreciated. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching.